Hey, morning everybody. Tim here with a very clear message that I do not want you to miss. Thursday evening, 7 p.m., conversations that count. These are the important things that really matter in our lives. I'm going to be joined by my fantastic friend and colleague, Eli Javitz from Canada. And we're going to be sharing and talking about those things that really matter. It's not a webinar, it's not a workshop, it's like a mix mash of everything combined. And when you attend live on Zoom, you can also be part of that conversation and influence what we're going to be discussing. And this month, I've got the amazing Dina Cramer. Now, if you've not heard from Dina before about law of attraction, she's been my coach for the last 11 months on manifestation, on your mindset and creating and drawing to you what it is that you want in life. Then we've got fantastic Kim Vermaak. I've been interviewed by her before. She is the Mindset Whisperer. She's going to help you focus on how to build a legacy that lasts beyond your time here on earth. And be part of the conversation, listening to these amazing leaders in their unique fields about what you can do in 2024 to really bring abundance and create that legacy that we're all looking for. Click the link below. Click the link below. Now, be part of this conversation. And I look forward to seeing you on Thursday at 7 p.m. South Africa time. Ciao.